Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to day 18 of our January challenge. I can't even believe how fast this month is going. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. First week of February, my husband and I head to Costa Rica. So getting excited for that, feeling like I have a lot to get done and not a lot of time to do it. Anyways, so this morning, as usual, I started my day with the bullet coffee. Lately, I've been really liking the MCT powder, so I've been putting a scoop of that and a little bit of whipped cream and stevia and just blending that up, and I have 2 cups of that in the morning. So it's now 2:15 and I haven't eaten anything, so I'm trying to figure out what that's going to be. I'm really wanting to have another one of those protein chocolate shakes I've been showing you guys, but I figure that's probably terribly boring for you, so I don't know. It might be what I end up eating, but I'm just going to take a look in my fridge, figure it out, and I'm also trying to decide what dinner will be tonight. So, not really sure. I don't know. I kind of wanted to talk to you guys today a bit about the dreaded scale. So, at the beginning of this January keto journey, I talked a lot about numbers not mattering and trying not to focus on the number on the scale and not, have a set weight loss goal for me. I do want to get a bikini for my trip, but I don't want that to be dependent on a number on the scale. I want it to be about how I feel in my body, right? So, that's a really great goal, but let's be real, guys. I have a scale, and it's really hard sometimes for me to stay off of it and not concentrate on that. So, why I bring that up is because probably for the last week it has not budged, and I'm trying not to get on the scale every day. I never used to do that. It used to be weeks in between getting on the scale, and then I got my own scale. So I have it in my bathroom. So I'm going to try not to keep getting on it, but I'm at an okay weight, and I've lost about 4 pounds since starting the January keto challenge. I think my body likes where I'm at. And I have to say, I look in the mirror and I like how I look, so I don't know why it is that I'm so focused on losing more weight. So I think that's all part of the inside, healing that needs to be done and the inside changing. A lot's changed on the outside. I've lost about 34 pounds since starting keto. But there's still that inside me that kind of feels like that little fat girl, right? And I don't know. So I'm struggling with that. I would love to hear your guys' comments. Do you struggle with wanting to weigh yourself every day? Do you get a little bit discouraged when you don't see that scale move? I would love for this space to be a place for us to build each other up. And I'm trying to build myself up, but sometimes I get caught up in that numbers game. So working hard to avoid that, and trying not to let that get into unhealthy behaviors. The scale's not moving, so I need to, eat less calories or anything like that. Because I know what I'm doing is good. I know that I have days where I don't do as well as I say or as I is the ideal way to eat. But all in all, guys, I feel like I'm doing pretty good. And I'm definitely not strict keto, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know what more to say about that. But anyways, it was just something on my mind that I wanted to talk about. Would love to hear how you're doing with that. Anyways, I'm really hungry. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to show you. All right, guys, so I'm sorry. I'm just going to have to go the boring route because this is what I was craving, so this is what I made. Just to show you, though, I did change it a little bit. Instead of the cold brew coffee, today I added coconut milk. This is a really, really great option. Coconut milk has 2 carbs but 2 fibers, so that cancels each other out. So it ends up being 0 carb. And 4.5 grams of fat and pretty low calorie. So that's really good. Let's see protein. Protein, not a lot of protein, 0.5 grams. So I used that with the Premier Protein shake. I did half a scoop of MCT powder, 1 tablespoon of organic peanut butter fit chocolate, which is delicious, but a little higher in carbs. And half a scoop of this cookies and cream whey protein, or isopure protein. And yeah, it's delicious. The only thing is I forgot to put ice in, so I'm gonna pour it back into the blender and blend it up with ice because it's warm. And who likes a warm shake? Not me. And then, as usual, there is my water. So this is what I'm gonna have until dinner. Okay guys, I just needed to come back in and tell you this is freaking delicious. Like, oh my God. I like it better with the coconut milk. I'd say it's better than the cold brew coffee. The cold brew coffee adds carbs to it and you don't really even taste the coffee. So, and this definitely, I get a bit of a coconut flavor to it. I just added it up. So with the coconut milk instead of coffee, this is 4.5 grams and I still have some left in my blender to top this up. This will keep me going for hours, and I'd say it's a pretty nutritious breakfast, lunch, something really great to throw together really fast in the morning and take with you on your way out the door. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'll continue to play around with different combinations of stuff in there, but I'm gonna say, guys, if you like shakes, give this a try. It's awesome. So yeah. Now I get to sweep and wash my floor. That's my big plan for now. And then I get to take my dog to the vet. So good times over here, but hey, at least I have something really yummy to keep me going. All right, so we ended up having to leave our dog to get x-rays at the vet, so he's being put under. So we came to grab a bite to eat. So I got, that's relish on there, and a bacon cheeseburger on a lettuce wrap. I probably could have asked for no relish because I don't know what the count is for carbs there, but I think I'm doing okay. I'm at like 15 carbs I've got to play with still today. So this will be my dinner. And hubby gets all my sides. They're cute. And those onion rings look really good. I also got a Diet Coke. So that's dinner. Come say hi. Oh, are you happy?
Oh, it's my buddy. Huh? It's my big bud.
Hi. Was that a lot? You're howling back here. It's okay.
This is a normal knee. And can you see? And then see how there's another white line here? And there's a white line
This poor boy. Hey, look at this poor boy. You had a rough day, didn't you? You had a rough day. It's okay.
Yeah, that's what we can do, bud. That's what we told you. It's a hell of a long way.
All right, guys, so it is 10:15 and I'm just getting ready to head out for work. Been back home for a couple hours, got the dog back from the vet. He had to be put out and get some x-rays done, so he's kind of out of it and just relaxing. My husband and I just watched a movie, so I did have a couple pieces of Lily's chocolate. And now I'm going to work, so I'm going to bring one of these with me for 4 a.m. when I'm feeling like I need something sweet. Of course, I have my water, and I'm going to stop and pick up a coffee on my way to work. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So that's it for tonight. I hope you have a great night, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Look at this poor guy. My buddy, are you sad? Yeah, you're not feeling good, huh? Are you dopey? Are you dopey? I'll see you later, okay?